Assalamu Alaikum. Today I'll show you how to perform wudu step by step. Let's begin by saying Bismillah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
Wash both hands thoroughly 3 times.
Step 3. Rinse your mouth 3 times.
Clean your nose 3 times.
Wash your whole face from forehead to chin and ear to ear.
Wash your right arm 3 times. Now wash your left arm 3 times.
Wipe your head once with wet hands.
Step 9. Wipe both ears once using your wet hands as part of wudu.
Wash your right foot up to the ankle. Wash your left foot up to the ankle.
Alhamdulillah, my wudu is complete. Now I'm ready to pray. Alhamdulillah, today we learned how to perform wudu step by step. I hope you enjoyed learning with me. I'll see you in the next video, inshallah. Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.